Hey everyone! Welcome back to SacTube channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful marketing tools in 2025, mobile advertising. If you're trying to reach more customers, boost sales, or grow your brand, this video is for you. Right now, people spend 4 to 6 hours a day on average on their phones than on TV, laptops, or even tablets. Mobile advertising is simply promoting your business or brand directly on people's smartphones, through apps, social media, mobile websites, or SMS. Whether you're a small business or a startup, mobile ads allow you to reach the right person at the right moment, wherever they are. There are several ways to run mobile ads. Let's break them down. 1. Social media ads: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. These platforms know your audience, age, interests, location, even what time they are online. 2. Search ads: Google ads. When someone searches "best bakery near me," your ad can appear at the top of Google. 3. SMS, WhatsApp marketing. Sending targeted promo messages directly to customer phones. Great for flash sales and reminders. 4. In-app ads. Ads that appear in games or free apps, highly visual and great for brand visibility. 5. Location-based ads. Example, if customers walk past a mall, they can receive a promo notification from a nearby store. To win with mobile advertising, follow these 3 simple rules. Have a checkmark, keep it short. People scroll fast, your message should be instantly clear. Have a checkmark, use strong visuals. Bright images, bold text, quick videos. Have a checkmark, add a call to action. Example, order now, sign up, get 20% off. Let's say you run a bakery. You run an Instagram ad targeting people within 5 kilometers of your shop, offering buy one get one free before 3 p.m. Your ad appears on people's phones right when they're deciding where to eat. That's the power of mobile advertising. And that's how you can unlock massive growth using mobile advertising. If you found this useful, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.